In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through one of the most common questions users have when using job search platforms, specifically Indeed. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just entering the job market, keeping your profile updated and presentable is crucial in making your first impressions count. However, one area that often causes confusion is updating your profile picture on Indeed. We're going to delve into exactly why changing your profile picture isn't as straightforward as you might expect, and explore the reasoning behind it. First, let's start by heading over to Indeed. You can easily do this by typing Indeed into your search bar and clicking on the official website link that appears. Indeed has become a popular choice for job seekers worldwide simply because it aggregates countless job listings and gives you plenty of tools to personalize your job search. As you navigate into your Indeed account, you might be thinking, how can I make sure my profile is putting my best foot forward? Naturally, one might consider updating or changing the profile picture as a way to enhance their profile. However, here's where we come to an interesting find. Despite the emphasis on a comprehensive profile, Indeed doesn't actually offer an option to change your profile picture. It might come as a surprise if you're used to platforms that offer a lot of customization options, such as LinkedIn. So why doesn't Indeed allow you to change your profile picture? It's mainly because Indeed focuses on maintaining a streamlined and professional environment for job applications. Their system prioritizes the efficiency of connecting employers with potential candidates over offering social media-like features. In a way, this helps to ensure that the attention remains on your skills and experiences rather than your profile picture. If you try to click around, searching for a button or a setting to change your display image, you'll quickly realize it's simply not an option. This decision reflects Indeed's commitment to keeping their platform as professional and distraction-free as possible. While this might seem like a limitation, it's also a reinforcement that on Indeed, what truly matters are your qualifications, your resume, and your job preferences. Now that you know Indeed has intentionally designed its platform this way, you can focus on what you can control. Instead of spending time changing your picture, consider refreshing your resume or updating your skills and experiences to reflect your most recent and relevant attributes. So, while the platform might not offer flexibility in every aspect, it gives you the chance to streamline your professional presence. And there you have it. Understanding why you can't change your profile picture on Indeed helps you navigate the platform with more knowledge and ease. Focus instead on crafting a detailed, authentic profile and let your experience and skills shine through. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this clears up any confusion you had about managing your Indeed profile. Enjoy your job search journey.